Hello everyone, myself Vasantanand from KS Rangasamy College of Technology, Trichungur, pursuing BTech first year IT. I am here to present my E-Tech talk for Lockdown Innovation Challenge, which is organized by KS Rangasamy College of Technology and IIC of KSRCT. Today, my topic is on the aircraft GPS tracking. I'm going to explain the aircraft GPS tracking in very brief manner. It's very tough to explain in talk. So I'm going to share my PPT.
Aircraft GPS tracking. Before that, we have to know about GPS and its function and uses, etc. GPS, Global Positioning System, is used to track the vehicle or anything else exactly. A radio navigation system that allows land, sea and airborne users to determine their exact location and velocity and time 24 hours a day in all weather conditions anywhere in the world. Then uses of GPS. Key uses of GPS. This means it includes preventing car theft, mapping and surviving, tracking of law enforcement, locating your pets, keep watching on elderly people, finding treasure. Then functions of GPS. There are many functions. I listed only few: location, navigation, tracking, mapping and timing. Working of principles. Then each and every system has its own principle. Without principle, each and every system cannot work well. So the working and operation of global positioning system is based on the trilateralization. Then GPS has many applications in all kind of, only few here: marine, farming, science, surviving, military, financial service and telecommunication. Now it's time to see about aircraft GPS tracking. What is aircraft GPS tracking and how it is possible? What are all the networks to be covered? And the aircraft tracking is both aircraft GPS tracking, why it is neat and how it is possible. So aircraft GPS tracking is means of tracking the position of aircraft fitted with the GPS receiver by communication with the GPS satellite. The networks used in aircraft GPS tracking, there are different kind of networks. Telecommunication networks are used. So like cars, a hybrid of the VHF and satellites and HF network. Then the transponder mode ADS-B network. Then satellites network like Globalstar, Inmarsat, Iridium, Thuria and the GSM network. The GSM satellites are given right side. Then many have asked a question that aircraft GPS tracking is only for commercial or only for personal aircraft. So my opinion, and it's only the possible, aircraft GPS tracking is used in both commercial and personal aircraft. Then how does aircraft GPS tracking works? A device with a GPS sensor is embedded into the aircraft and it is able to transmit real-time GPS position of any plane. It is possible to track aircraft from anywhere, which means in sea, desert area or agricultural land. It is possible. So it is possible to track aircraft from anywhere. Uh, for example, I shown the two figures. So these two figures shows that all kind of places are suitable to track aircraft. Then active aircraft tracking. What is active aircraft tracking? There are active aircraft tracking system available on the market that use the breadcrumb approach. It's give last information in the historical moment. So Purpose of using GPS in aircraft. What is the purpose? If it is used to track and it is used to identify the applications of aircraft in GPS. Applications of aircraft by using GPS tracking. What are all the applications? Aircrafts, most of the modern aircrafts use GPS receivers to provide the pilot and passenger. So, what is the future step of GPS tracking? What is the primary federally provided radio navigation system for foreseeable future and will be augmented and improved to satisfy future military and civil requirements for accuracy, coverage, availability, continuity, and integrity. In future, we are going to use each and every field are going to use this GPS, and GPS tracking is very essential to navigate or to track or to save a person. So GPS is very essential.
I damn sure that guys you may enjoy it a lot and you guys know something about aircraft GPS tracking and aircraft GPS system and what is meant by GPS and etc. I think you may enjoy the video. Thank you one and all for your patience listening. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.